Here's the idea. Most companies don't need a bigger pile of GPUs. They need an AI factory, not a building with smokestacks. Think a clean, humming line where ideas go in one end and reliable AI products roll out the other. Hardware is the power grid. The factory is everything that turns electricity into finished goods. Raw materials, that's your data. You don't dump it on the floor. You sort it, clean it, label it. In factory terms, intake, quality checks, traceability. In AI terms, data contracts, lineage, feature stores. Then you set up assembly lines, repeatable training pipelines that go from data set to model to evaluation the same way every time. No one-off notebooks, no mystery scripts. Versioned components, templates, automated tests. Calibration is your QA station. You don't ship a car without brakes. You don't ship a model without evals. Unit tests, scenario tests, red teaming, bias checks. Latency benchmarks and cost benchmarks. Every model gets a spec sheet, accuracy, safety notes, limits, carbon, cost per thousand inferences. Supervisors, product owners, floor managers, platform teams, operators, data scientists and engineers using standard tooling. Security and legal are safety inspectors with the authority to halt the line. Conveyors connect everything. CI/CD for data, CI/CD for models, CI/CD for prompts, canary deployments, shadow traffic, rollback levers. If a metric drifts, alarms fire and the line pauses. Fix forward or revert. Shipping and warehouses are your runtime environments. Model registries store certified builds. Inference gateways route traffic. Observability tracks uptime, latency, quality, and cost in production. Maintenance is non-negotiable. Scheduled retrains, dataset refreshes, prompt reviews. You don't wait for a breakdown. You plan downtime and document why. Here's the key. Centralization without bottlenecks. The platform team owns the factory. Standards, tools, guardrails. Product teams own their stations. They assemble custom SKUs using the same parts and procedures. That's how you get speed and safety at the same time. Anti-patterns? Artisanal models that only one person understands. Hero launches with no monitoring. Notebook farms glued together with hope. If you can't rebuild it on a fresh machine, it's not factory ready. What do you measure? Cycle time, idea to impact. First pass yield, models that pass evals without rework. Cost per feature delivered, reliability. SLOs on quality, latency, safety incidents. How do you start? Don't build the mega factory on day one. Pick one product, one value stream. Stand up a minimal line, data contract, training pipeline, evaluation suite, registry, canary deploy, monitoring. Prove it, then duplicate the line. Standardize what worked, retire what didn't. Hardware still matters, but the power plant isn't the product. The product is repeatable outcomes, features shipped faster, safer, cheaper. When the model landscape changes, new LLMs, new chips, you swap components, not the whole factory. If your AI strategy is a shopping list of models and GPUs, you're buying parts. Build the factory and parts become products.